Pokemon cards this time.
Okay, so first up in this video, we're going to be doing the X and Y evolution thing. Next video, however, we're going to be doing the X and Y Roaring Stage. These Pokemon cards are very dodgy. We got them for $1 at the $2 store, so don't expect much.
So we have the Dark Energy, the Flying Pikachu, Machop, Metapod, Onix, Ponyta. Oh god, what is this? Zygarde, and a Break Starmie.
So fake.
Oh wait! Apparently this is a Caterpie.
Whoa, fascinating on so many levels.
100% real!
Real!
Okay, that's going to be interesting to beat. So we got the Caterpie EX, we got the Starmie Break, and
Fascinating.
Zygarde EX. Oh, and the Flying Pikachu.
Why is this a Caterpie? What the heck?
It looks like Lucky. It is Lucky.
This shows the camera a bit.
Lucky, how did you get on
It's
a
a Caterpie, guys.
Okay, I'm up next. So, as we saw with the last one, it is bad. Okay,
Not bad.
we have an Electric Energy, a Blastoise Spirit Link, Brock's Grit, Magneton, Ninetales, Poliwrath, Sandshrew, and Gardevoir EX.
Gardevoir, who's Gardevoir?
This
Oh,
one.
right.
And now,
As you can see, these cards are really thin and 100% fake.
on our time, Williams, Part1, he's going to be fantastic. Just kidding. It's probably going to be fake. Okay, so, number one, we have a trainer card, and then we have another trainer card, and a Ghastly. So great. A Coughing, a Magic card, a Mew, a Pikachu,
Yeah.
Angie, and a Surfing Pikachu that is totally not
Fake?
yeah,
It's totally not fake.
totally
So,
not fake
as you
on
can see,
any
we've got
levels.
a couple of normally good cards that are 100% fake, like Gardevoir EX,
Caterpie,
Caterpie,
yes.
These-
Starmie Break, and of course, Zygarde
It's-
EX.
And the Caterpie.
We already said that.
Okay, guys,
And the Flying Pikachu.
thanks for watching.
It's a,
Wait. Do not end it here. We gotta see who's got the best cards.
Okay, let's see. Well, I think we all know who won. Riley, no one can beat that Caterpie.
yeah, nobody can.
As I said, guys, thanks for watching. This has been Riley, Lachlan, and Liam, and see you guys in the next video.
And Ella!
Thanks, Ella, for being our amazing camera person.
Who's run off?
We thank you loads.
That's creepy.
OJ. Fantastic.
My brain!